Hey everyone, Thriftstore Hacker here, and we're starting our new build, and it's going to be a three-wheel trike. Unlike the trike I have back here where the wheel is on the back, the two wheels will be on the front on this one. Now, to start us off, we used a 2x2 piece of steel that I got from the local metal recyclers, and we started with a full suspension cheapo mountain bike that I think we picked it up at the Goodwill or something like that and didn't pay too much for it. But the main reason why I got it is it has a full rear with the pedals and everything on it that you can just unbolt right off the bike. So that saves you a lot of engineering and building. And it hooks up to the steel right there at that pin. As you can tell, I've cut the pedals off because I'm not going to be pedaling with these. And cut the pedals off on this side as well. And since we have this pinned in right here, I still need to get some proper proper washers and get it spaced out just right for it all to work properly. And then we'll weld that into place. And we have this up bar right here, which is going to work as the back to the seat. I move some stuff around. I'm just kind of mocking it up right now. And we'll have our front suspension connected to the bar here. Some homemade spindles. It should come out pretty good. I'm really excited about this project. This is going to be my new main go-around vehicle. And we're dropping the wattage. I have this electric trike right here, and you can see the other bike in the background. That's only 250 watt. This one right here actually runs two wheelchair motors. So if you look down in there, you got two giant 350 watt motors. And this works good, but the range on it, since it's got to push both those big motors, only goes about 8 miles on my older batteries. I'm using these old, they're probably about 7 years old now, AGM wheelchair batteries. Then I have a little extra bank for, these are the ones that we use on the purple bike. And the purple bike will get you about 8 miles, 7-8 miles on these just by themselves. But we're going to be looking at mounting pedals, mounting a rear rack, which I have right there. I stole off of another junk bike I had in the yard. And we'll kind of see where it goes from there. If you have any thoughts or ideas, please post in the comment category. And I have the front of this built up pretty good. I'm still working on figuring out how we're going to steer the vehicle. I have a piece of all thread that's going to go from wheel to wheel here, and we'll put some eye hooks or something so it'll catch it on the ends and we can adjust the alignment. But I still haven't figured out exactly how we're going to steer it after the linkage is put in. So if you have any ideas, please feel free to comment in the comment section. And I will be back with more videos on this particular build. And hopefully we get this done pretty fast because the weather's changing. It's about ready to get sunny out. And I want to take this out on the bike trails. All right, you guys, have a good afternoon.